quick little overview of my Generac ix2000 I picked up yesterday at Tractor Supply. It was a customer return, so I got it for a pretty good steal. Regularly $580, got it for $350. It's 2,000 watt continuous, 2200 surge. It's got your 12 volt DC output and your two 120 outlets. You've got 3 LEDs on the front to indicate if you got low oil level, overload, and make sure you have output. It's your ready light right there. It's got a flex power switch, idle down the motor when there's not much of a load on it. And over here you got your fuel cutoff switch, which has your kill switch in there. And you got your choke right here. And you've got this nifty little fuel cap. You got a primer right there. And start it up. You just got your fuel on, eco switch off. Turn the vent off on the gas cap, prime it up to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut it on. Choke it. I'm just going to half choke it because I had it running earlier. And just pull it. Then you can cut your eco switch back on. Idles it back down until you're ready. Then cut it off. Just go right here and put the switch off. Just like that.